Mission possible. Trace, locate and find. Hunt down those sneaky cells in Excel. All right, Excel explorers. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling mission. Trace, locate, and find those sneaky, far off, unwanted data cells hiding in the endless wilderness of your Excel sheet. Are you ready? Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into this exciting detective adventure. At first, how to confirm that the data of sheet has some unwanted and suspicious entries. Okay, just move View tab and press Page Break Preview, or you can check the Print Preview. It will confirm by the number of pages shows here. Oh, look at this. OMG. Let's start the mission together. Ctrl End, the quick navigator. Think of this as your Excel compass. It points you straight to the last known data point on your sheet. Press Ctrl End on your keyboard. Excel will jump directly to the last used cell in the sheet. Why this works, Excel remembers the last cell where data or formatting was added, even if it's now empty. But, if you press again Ctrl End, Excel will jump again to the same cell, but it is already empty. So, you have to close the file, work on other cells to reset the memory of Excel, but it is complicated procedure, isn't? Quick tip, if you land somewhere unexpected, like a far-off desert cell, you've found your culprit. Go to Special, highlight the culprits. Time to switch on your Excel flashlight and light up all occupied cells. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire sheet. Go to Home, Find and select, Go to Special. Choose these options one by one. Constants, to highlight cells with manually entered values. Formulas, to highlight cells with formulas. Click OK. Excel will highlight all the non-empty cells. If you can see, look at those cells. We've narrowed down our suspects. But how to trace them? Who are far away? Oof. Conditional formatting. Paint the targets. Let's add some Excel detective paint to spot every single cell with content. Select the entire worksheet by pressing Ctrl+A. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula. Equals not is blank A1. Choose a bright fill color, like yellow or orange. Click OK. And there you have it. Every non-empty cell will now glow with color, but we are still not able to trace our target because the sheets are so wide. Page Break Preview, the eagle eye view. Here comes one of our secret weapons, Print Preview. Go to File, Print, or press Ctrl+P. In the Print Preview window, look at the page layout. Scroll through the pages to see if there are any extra pages with unwanted data showing up. What to look for? Blank pages at the end. Tiny specks of text far away on a random page. Quick fix, if you spot unwanted data. Go back to the sheet. Delete or clean those unwanted cells. Recheck the Print Preview until your sheet looks neat and clean. Print Preview is like viewing the battlefield from above. Nothing escapes our eagle eyes. Delete blank cells, the cleanup crew. Now it's time for a mass cleanup mission. Let's remove all the unnecessary blank cells while keeping your valid data intact. Press Ctrl+A to select all data. Go to Home, Find and select, Go to Special, blanks. Click OK. This method will highlight blank cell from selected range, but if you apply this on entire sheet, it will not work as per requirements. Cleanup. Check hidden rows, columns, and objects. Sometimes data hides in sneaky places like hidden rows or columns. Let's reveal them. Unhide rows and columns. Select all rows and columns by pressing Ctrl+A. Go to Home, Format, Hide and Unhide, Unhide rows / unhide columns. Check for objects. Go to Find and select, Go to Special, Objects. Excel will highlight any invisible or floating objects, like hidden shapes or text boxes. Now, here's last punch, a catch to win the match. But before this final round, please, if you found this video helpful, then like the video, and for more amazing content, subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Go to Home tab, Find and select, and press Find. Ctrl F on Find tab in Find What, right? Just asterisk steric. It is Shift +8, and press Find All. It will show the entire data of the sheet rows and columns numbers and even data of the cells, including cells with just one space stroke, wanted and unwanted. Each and everything is present here. Wow, super. Now, if required, just click on Cell Column. It will sort the data row-wise. You can check here. Is this amazing? Now just move to the end of the data. Here you can find the row numbers. Here you can find the far away rows and columns. Click on Last Entry. This cell is the most far away entry of your sheet, and if not required, just simply delete them one by one and finally recheck them all again. Finally, save and recheck Print Preview. Save your cleaned up worksheet. Press Ctrl+P to open Print Preview again. Double check every page. Look at that. Clean, tidy, and sharp. No more rogue cells sneaking around. Mission accomplished. What did we do today? Traced hidden cells using Ctrl+N. No more rogue cells sneaking around. Mission accomplished. What did we do today? Traced hidden cells using Ctrl+N. Located data with Find and Go to Special. Highlighted non-empty cells with Conditional Formatting. Used Page Break Preview and Print Preview for an aerial view of the sheet. Cleaned up blank cells with precision. Unhid hidden rows, columns, and objects. You did it, Excel detectives. Your worksheet is now spotless, optimized, and free from unwanted data. High five. Before ending, please leave your golden words in comment section. Any advice, questions, or anything. Share with your family and friends. Visit the channel for more informative and practical learning videos. So, support us. Class dismissed, but remember, Excel is full of mysteries. Keep your detective tools sharp. See you. Bye.